video, I'll teach you how to top up your Revolut balance. If you've yet not added in any balance to your Revolut account, and if this is your first time, let me show you the steps that you need to follow and various methods that you can use to top up your Revolut account. Let's head over to the app of Revolut. Once you're inside of the app, make sure that you're on the home screen by tapping on the home screen option on the bottom left of the screen. Here on the home screen, you'll straight away see the section called Add Money. Just tap on the plus icon that is showing. Once you do that, it's going to open up a section which says how to add money. You're going to get different options of adding in money, such as easy bank transfer, regular bank transfer, Apple Pay, debit card, or deposit cash. So you can just pick from one of these options which may be suitable to you. Once you select one of these options, for example, if you select Apple Pay, you're going to need to make sure that you log in with your Apple Pay account or link the Apple Pay account with Revolut if you haven't yet. Or if you used your debit card, just enter in your card details. In the next step, you just need to add in the total amount that you're trying to add into your Revolut account. And once you've done that, you can just tap on Pay. Once you tap on Pay, the amount will be immediately added in and transferred from Apple Pay or your debit card or your bank to your Revolut account. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to top up your balance on Revolut. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.